Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Release Ford. Today we're going to be trying the CRKT Fossil pocket knife or folding knife. We're gonna try it on a piece of cardboard, cutting wood, making it a fire, cutting a piece of rope, and cutting a zip tie. Let's see if it can handle it. But it's very sharp. The blade's very sharp. It's razor sharp. It has a G10 handle, you know, for heavy use. Very grippy, honestly. Very grippy. And this knife is made from, the designer is Incoma, whatever, or Flavio Incoma. I believe this right here is a Brazilian knife made. You can see I put a little lanyard, you know, so it can make it look more nicer, more. Yeah, so very nice and sharp. So we're gonna try it on a zip tie and see if it'll cut it easily. So check it out. I didn't have to push hard or anything like that. It's, like I said, it's very sharp. It has a very nice sharp edge on it. Also on the bottom of the blade, on the top of the blade, is very sharp too. So you can able to, you know, make little tranches of wood. Very nice. But yeah, it cut the zip tie easy. Get that. Let's try it on the piece of rope. And try a little piece. This one. Easy peasy. Very sharp. By the way, this knife is very long. It's like almost the size of this wood that I have using here. But yeah, like I said, it cuts the rope very easy. You can probably use this to put it on fire right now. Very nice and sharp. I'm trying to see how it does with the cardboard. Very sharp. So yeah, you can see that. So you can see it cut the rope easily, cut the zip tie easily, cut the cardboard easily. Very strong. I believe this knife is like for heavy use, you know, for rough, more for rough use. Very comfortable. We're gonna try cutting a little wood, a little fire. Also, this knife is built for bushcrafting, hiking, and camping. So, oh yeah, no issue on cutting wood. Very easy. Look at this. And all the knives that I'm testing and reviewed, this right here caught my attention, and I've been carrying it with me, you know, for work, you know, cut boxes, you know. But yeah, I have no issue cutting the wood. Let's try the top edge. Yep, very sharp. Very good knife. I think online it's $69.99. In store it's probably like 50. What was it, like 54 or something? Almost like 60 bucks. I think it's cheaper in store than online. CRKT. A very good brand. So it has a length of 3.96, 100.50 millimeter, edge plain, steel. It's a ACR 13 MOV, finish satin, thickness 0.5, 3.80 millimeter. But yeah, designed by Flavio and Coma, IKBS ball bearing private system. Like I said, it's a G10 handle overlays and satin blade finish for everyday use. So now we're gonna try the Ferro. Let's see how easy it is to make the little fire. I apologize, this was, you know, sprinkling. It's gonna rain, so. Trying to see, make a little fire. And it does very good on sparkling the ferro rod, so with that I don't have no issue. As you guys can see, it's very easy to make fire. actually got the fire going. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think about this CRK T from Brazilian. This Fossil made. Very nice G10 handle. Got the fire going. And it didn't take me that long to make the little fire. So you can actually survive with this knife. It's a very badass, excuse my language, but yeah, very badass knife for survival use. So yeah, so if you guys enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And I'll be making more other videos testing and reading other knives too, so you guys have the G10 Fossil folding knife made from Incoma, from Flavia. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on a different video. Peace.